Hello and welcome everyone to the last lecture of this course where I will be discussing the simulation results of single cell network and the multi-cell network. First of all, I will be discussing the simulation results of single cell network where we have compared the bit error rate versus SNR performance for proposed algorithm, single cell single output with dual transmission, and single cell input single output OFDM in single cell communication system. So here green and blue lines represent the proposed algorithm. CISO red line represents the performance of CISO single input single output dual. Brown represents the bit error rate of single input single output, and these lines represents the internal and external eavesdropper's performance. So it is clear from the figure that the proposed algorithms performance and performance of eavesdropper are have a vast difference. While the proposed algorithm performance outperforms the single input single output algorithm, while it is very close to the single input single output dual algorithm performance. So it can be concluded, it can be observed, it can be found from this figure, it can the result can be drawn from this figure that the proposed algorithm is very much suitable, has the capability to provide secure and reliable transmission in loss complex IoT devices. Similar to that, we have the throughput performance for the proposed algorithm and CISO dual, CISO, and the joint throughput performance of the users and the eavesdropper's performance. Again, it is very much clear from the figure that the proposed eavesdropper's performance is quite quite better, is quite better. The proposed eavesdropper's performance is similar to that of CISO dual. It is it is very much improved as compared to the external and internal eavesdropper's performance, but CISO performance and the joint performance outperforms the proposed algorithm's performance. But all in all, the proposed algorithm's performance, in contrast, is very much comparable, and it is very much suitable for the less complexity IoT devices, and it has the capability to be acquired in future communication systems and networks. Similarly, we have the peak to average power ratio performance of the conventional and the proposed algorithm, where it is clear that the conventional algorithm has degraded performance than the proposed algorithm performance. So once again, the results prove the robustness of our proposed algorithm. Similar to this, the peak to average power ratio performance, where there is a vast difference between the authorized users and the eavesdroppers performance, and it also proved the robustness of our proposed algorithm. Now coming towards the performance of the bit error rate and the throughput performance of the multi-cell secure communication algorithm that we have designed. Here the bit error rate performance is quite bad, ha- and the eavesdropper performance has large difference, and the bit error rate performance is quite good, and it again proves that the proposed algorithm in multi-cell network has the capability to be acquired for the by the network providers. Similarly, throughput performance shows amazing results at high SNR values, and the eavesdropper performance is quite degraded. Here again, then we go to the next figure where we have peak to average power ratio performances of the proposed algorithm. The proposed algorithm again outperforms the conventional algorithm, and it once again proves the robustness of our proposed algorithm. We have also proved the robustness of the proposed algorithm using imperfect channel, and it shows that as we increase the red line shows the perfect channel performance, and as we increase the error, the performance degrades. This proves the robustness of our proposed algorithm and the capability in different channels of it in under different channel conditions. So the conclusion and future work of this w- invented new NOMA can be summarized as follows. Efficient technique for reliable and secure communication is presented for IoT devices. Channel dependent precoder using dual transmission via antenna transversity approach is proposed to ensure reliable and secure communication against both internal and external eavesdropping. We have proved the results through simulation results, and it is suitable for IoT based devices because it does not require complex processing. And in the future work, we can propose the same system for the uplink NOMA. The same work can be proposed for the uplink NOMA work. Uplink. This work is basically for a downlink scenario. In future work, the uplink scenario case can be considered, and it can open ideas for vast research domains. The simulation codes are available at researcherstore.com, and the paper is available at RS Audit. I hope you have a great time during this course and you learned from this course. You can share your feedback and any questions that you have regarding this course on my email that is provided that is provided on the slide. You can email me anything that you want, and I will be more than happy to entertain you. Thanks a lot for your patience and your time.